In this video, I'm going to share with you how to share your document during a Zoom meeting, okay? How to share your screen, maybe you're part of a document or a web page during the Zoom meeting. So assuming I'm on a Zoom meeting right now and I want to share my screen, all you need is to come down to the bottom. Here you can see share. You can click or you can enable multiple participants to share at a time or only one participant to share, or you can click the more advanced sharing option to select accordingly. Now just to share, you can come to share as well. So you select which one do you want to share. Are you sharing the entire screen, which encompasses everything here, or are you sharing a document? If you are sharing a document, you can just go ahead, show the document from the available ones that you have. Or if you are sharing a second camera or a video file or slide as a background, you can select as well. And then you have other options like you can do picture in picture, where you have the picture as well as the slide or what you are sharing behind you. But for this, we want to keep it simple and we want to share just a screen. Okay, so we select this screen, and once you select it, you may be able to enable share sound if you have a sound enabled. If you don't have a sound, you can just go ahead and click on share, and now this is going to be shared. So this particular screen is now shared to the viewers. So all the members of the meeting are going to be able to see this, what I'm sharing, this section of my screen or this tab or this page that I'm sharing. If you are done sharing, you can always hover over to the top over here and you can pause this sharing, or you can stop it as a whole. So let's say you want to stop the sharing. You can see it over here. Now you are now sharing a screen. You can pause the sharing, or if you want to stop it, you can just click on stop, and this is going to stop the sharing. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.